don't like mopping. Who does? But it's a necessary evil. I decided it might be worthwhile trying one of the newer style flat mops because they tout some advantages over other traditional designs. My biggest issue with mopping is that the mops have such short handles, and they force me to work leaning over. Not the best health and safety work position. I ordered the JOYMOOP because they advertise a 60-inch long handle. I assembled it, and when I went to use it, I discovered the handle to be only 48 inches long. Turns out they sell two products, and I ordered the one with the short handle. Bummer. So I made my own handle extension, which is even better than what I could have purchased. Here's how I did it. The JOYMOOP handle is composed of 4 sections which thread together. The metal tubing on the male end of each section is a reduced diameter so that it inserts a couple inches before threading tight. I had these 3 mops, which I tried and didn't like, and I found that the handle diameter of the Mr. Clean mop was an exact match for inserting into the JOYMOOP handle. But when I removed the mop head, I discovered that the threads didn't match. I cut off the threaded end and tested inserting the tube. Perfect fit. The JOYMOOP threaded insert is held in place by 4 divots in the tube. I secured it into the new extension the same way. First, I slit the JOYMOOP handle and pried out the threaded insert. Using a piece of scrap wood, I made a jig to hold and align the handle so I could punch divots accurately. I used a dull nail to punch the divots. I applied Gorilla Glue to act as a sealant. Then punched the divots. Rotating the tube 1/4 turn each time. I threaded the new piece onto the mop and simulated mopping to identify what felt like a comfortable length. I transferred the rubber grip from the old handle and glued a plug into the end of the new tube. You can see that I've increased the length by nearly 18 inches. Now I can stand comfortably while I mop.